Hi everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk, and what I've decided to do is there's no Swap It Sunday today, that'll be next week, but I've decided to kick off the 6x6 week. So starting from today there will be another 6 tutorials every day, all with 6x6 paper, different ways you can use them and stuff. So the first one I've done is a 6x6 one sheet wonder, and I have made 6 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of one sheet of 6x6 paper. Okay, so just to give you an idea of the kind of thing you can do, and obviously I've just added, you know, different little elements which I'll show you what I used. And I've oh, I forgot to put the inside in that one. Have put insides in them, so they're just really simple but they're really sweet. And it's lemon lime twist and lovely lipstick is the colours that I used. Okay, so again I forgot to put the inside in that one, never mind. So we're going to do the same layouts, but we're going to use different colours. So just get these out the way. So we're going to use Blackberry Bliss this time, and these are like the colour families, the DSP. So what I've done is I've cut I've got 6 cards. I've just made them 4x4, so I've cut the paper to 4x8 and I've scored it 4, and then I've put the inside in with Whisper White, and they just measure 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. Okay, so they've all got that in. So that's what we're going to do there. And then the stuff that I used was, I used Pop of Petals, and that is where the flowers are from. Okay, so just the different flowers. The sentiments, which is hello and thanks, are from, I forgot what you call this, but it comes in a tin, and you get like stamping spots and a punch with it as well. You get the coordinating punch, which is the Darling label. Okay, so that's what I used for some of them, and then for, I think one of them I used the accented blooms, which would be, yeah, this one here. Okay, so I'm just going to use the same things, but obviously we're going to have Blackberry Bliss, and we're also going to have Petal Pink. So to get your DSP cut, so you're going to have enough to make your cards, we'll just get our trimmer. Alright, so the first cut that we're going to do is, obviously it's 6x6, so we know that, and I've just buried my instructions. Yeah, so what we're going to do is, this is the way I'm going to have my paper, the directional way. Okay, so I'm going to turn it round, and then we are going to make the first cut at 3/4 of an inch. Okay, alright, so that is what you have got there. And then take this little strip and just cut again at 3/4 of an inch. So you will now end up with them. Alright, Now what we're going to do is on which will now be the long side, so we've just cut that off there. Alright, so we're going to keep it the same position in the trimmer, and we're going to cut straight down at 3 inches. Okay, so we now end up with that, and then we're going to take this piece here, and again we're going to cut at 3/4 of an inch. So we now end up with this. Okay, and then just move that to the side, and these two pieces here, we're going to turn them around and we're going to cut them both at 2 inches. Okay, so we've cut that one, and then we're going to cut this one again at 2 inches. Okay, so we now have got that. Okay, and then this one here, we are going to cut this at 1 inch. Okay, so we now have that. Okay, cut that right at 1, that's right. Okay, so we've got that now. Alright, and then what we're going to do is take our side piece that we had, which would be like that, and we are going to cut this at 3 inches. Okay, so our 6 by 6 would be like this. Just piecing it together so you can see how we've cut it. There we go, that is what we've got now. Okay, and no, that should be like that. I was thinking there I've done that wrong, but I haven't. There we go. So that is what you get out of your 6 by 6. Okay, I'm just checking I've done it right. Yeah, I think I have. I hope I have. So I've now got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We've got 9 pieces. Okay, so what I've done is, just to save time, out of some of the scraps off the cards, the card bases, I have cut the Blackberry Bliss and I've just made some little mats. Now all you need to do is just make them like, you know, say 1/8 of an inch bigger on each side, and then you've got a mat. So we can go ahead and stick these on, and then you can turn them round and you can have some of the DSP as the stripes, some as the little spots, whatever you want, just to create your cards. So I'm just going to mat these onto here. So I've gone ahead and I've matted all the pieces that were cut, and I've started making some of the cards, because otherwise the video is just going to go on too long because there's a few fiddly pieces. So I've just copied the same designs that I did on the lemon lime twist. Okay, and I put some Wink of Stella on those flowers. You can see it. I've just copied the same designs. Okay, so we've got 2 more left, so I will make them ones now. So that one is going to be this one that I made in the green. Okay, and then that's going to get stuck on with dimensionals. Okay, so we're just going to pop this in the middle, like so, and then our little stamped and punched out image is going to go on with some dimensionals as well. Just going to pop 2 on there. And just pop that in the middle of the square, and then some of these metallic pearls, and these are the ones that I've put in the new kit, the October kit. I think we'll have silver, and I'm just going to put 1 in each corner. And there we go, there's that version there. And then we have got this one left to do. So I've got all the little pieces. So just pop that on there, and then this bit is going to go just roughly about there, which we'll put on with glue. Okay, and then this one is going to go about there, but I should have actually done that in the other paper, shouldn't I? I stuck that one the wrong way. Never mind, we can just have something like that. You can have, I mean, you can put them however you want them, really. So I think we will just put this one here, but further down. So I would have preferred it to have the dots on, never mind. And then we're going to stamp the hello in Blackberry Bliss. We'll just stamp that there. Okay. And then I think we'll have a pink flower in the middle of this one. Which we'll stick that on with a glue dot, just in the middle. And then we'll put some gold pearls on. So this is another way you can use up your 6x6 paper pads. I think we'll put a little stone in the middle of the flower as well. So there's a card there. These are the ones we've done with the Blackberry Bliss. Absolutely gorgeous. I think them two's probably my favourite ones. And then obviously we've got the same again with the lemon lime twist. So we've got 12 cards out of 2 sheets of 6x6. So I'll put it all on my blog so you can have a look at some more photographs of the placements and stuff of on the cards. And I will be back again tomorrow with video number 2 of the 6x6 paper week. So thanks for watching, take care and bye for now.